KTM has unveiled two exciting new small-capacity dual-sport motorcycles, the 390 Enduro R and 125 Enduro R. Both models are powered by engines borrowed from the Duke range, with the 390 Enduro featuring a 399cc LC4C engine, making 44 brake horsepower and 39 Nm of torque, and the 125 sporting a 124.9cc LC4C unit, making 14.8 brake horsepower and 11.5 Nm. The engines have been specially modified for enduro use, with several key updates including a lighter 2 kg exhaust system, a redesigned cylinder head, a revised airbox, repositioned fuel injectors, and subtle gearbox adjustments. The 6-speed gearbox features a slipper clutch as standard, enhancing the riding experience. Additionally, the footpeg location has been repositioned for more comfortable enduro riding, while the radiator has been moved to improve ground clearance, which is set at an impressive 272 mm. Both bikes feature a traditional dual-sport wheel setup with a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, shod with 90/90 front and 140/80 rear tires. The suspension is supplied by WP, offering 230 mm of travel at both ends. The 390 Enduro is equipped with 43 mm USD Apex open cartridge forks, providing 30 clicks of adjustability for compression and rebound damping. The rear shock offers adjustability for rebound and preload. The 125 Enduro, being more basic, comes with fixed suspension settings, though rear preload can still be adjusted. Both bikes feature a seat height of 890 mm, offering a balanced riding position for most riders. Braking duties are handled by a 285 mm front disc paired with a radially mounted 2-piston caliper and a 240 mm rear disc with a single-piston caliper. In terms of electronics, KTM has packed both bikes with modern features. The 390 features 2 switchable riding modes, which is missing on the 125. Both models include dual-channel ABS, selectable traction control, and a dedicated ABS off button, enabling riders to disable the ABS completely. Both bikes feature a 4.2-inch TFT display, providing information on speed, fuel level, gear position, and smartphone connectivity, along with turn-by-turn navigation. Additionally, a USB-C port allows for convenient charging on the go. The fuel tank capacity stands at 9 liters for both models. The 390 Enduro R weighs in at 159 kilograms without fuel, while the 125 is slightly lighter at 152 kilograms, making both bikes nimble and well-suited for challenging off-road terrain. With their combination of modern features, strong off-road performance, and lightweight design, the KTM 390 Enduro and 125 Enduro are set to appeal to both seasoned riders and newcomers looking for a high-performance dual-sport motorcycle.
Yep.